guys, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about my 5 favorite liquid and gel liner formulas of all time. This includes high-end and drugstore, so if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. Eyeliner is one of those things that I think the drugstore actually does really well at. And it's one of those products that I don't think you can necessarily tell the difference between high-end and drugstore if you find a good drugstore one. So today I'm going to share 3 drugstore and 2 high-end formulas that are my absolute favorites. So let's get into it. My first one is from Stila. This is the Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner. I love the tip of this one. It is super precise, and it's also a little bit flexible but not really flimsy, so you can get a really precise line. And it's really black, waterproof. Once it dries, it stays in place all day long, and it just looks really good. This second one is possibly my favorite one for beginners. This is from Maybelline. It's the Curva II liner, and this is a curved liner. So when you take the cap off, the actual pen is curved. So this is a really good one because when you're wearing it or when you're applying it, you hold the pen and then you can just, you don't even have to move your hand to be in the right position. The pen moves for you. So it's really good for beginners. This is actually the one that I'm wearing today. Again, this will give you a really nice and precise line, and it doesn't budge. All of these also dry down matte, just in case you're wondering. I'm a big fan of matte formulas, so none of these are shiny. Third is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. Again, same thing, same kind of applicator, and this is just really precise. Again, not super flimsy, but it will give you some give so that you can apply it and get a nice application. Again, super black. All of these are absolutely amazing. This one will stay all day too. I don't think that this one says it's, oh, it is waterproof. So I think all of these are waterproof. Maybe this one's not. Okay, so this one from Maybelline doesn't say that it is waterproof. To be honest with you, I don't really go swimming with liquid liner on, but maybe that's just me. I also don't wear liquid liner on my bottom lash line. I think if you did, then you would want it to be waterproof, or at least I would, because my eyes water a lot. But if your eyes don't water a lot and you don't wear liquid liner when you're swimming, then I don't think waterproof is necessarily that big of a deal. I think it's a bigger deal if you put like a kohl liner in your waterline. You would want that to be waterproof. Next up is the only gel liner I'm going to mention today. It's from Maybelline as well. It is the Eye Studio gel liner. This is in Blackest Black, and it's just a pot gel liner. I usually use an angled brush with this, so I'll just dip my brush in, and then again, this is one of those products that is really good for beginners because you can do small strokes and kind of fill it in however you want. I think that a gel liner is really easy to use if you are a beginner. And this, again, since you have control of your brush, you can just turn your brush slightly to create a thicker line or go straight on and get a thinner line. But as you can see, all of these are just the blackest of black matte liquid liners. The last one I want to mention is the NYX one. I'll leave a picture of it right here. But it is one of my all-time favorite liquid liners. I think that it is so gorgeous. It's matte. It is super easy to apply, and it stays nice and pigmented, and it's just one of those ones that will just glide on effortlessly, and you don't have to like keep reapplying. It will just give you a solid thick black line or a thin black line, whatever you're looking for. But I don't have it in my collection currently. It dried out, so I need to go out and repurchase it. But I will just leave a picture so you guys can see the packaging of it. So as you can see, there's definitely a mix of drugstore and high-end. I definitely think that you can get an amazing finish from the drugstore without spending that money. But the Sephora VIB sale is going on, I think, next week. I'm forgetting the dates right now of what the date actually is today. I think it starts next week for Rouge, and then the week after that for VIB and Insiders. So if you do want to splurge on one of the higher end formulas, then you can definitely pick those up during the Sephora VIB sale. If not, I would probably just go drugstore because you can get such a nice finish. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And let me know down below in the comments what your favorite eyeliner formula is. I'm really curious to know. Maybe it's something I haven't tried before, and if so, I definitely need to go out and try it. And also don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.